Good afternoon to all of you and Radhe Radhe. Guys, the tension between Pakistan and India is increasing day by day. And recently, the IPL has been suspended by the BCCI because there are so many reasons. We can just imagine that BCCI has cancelled the IPL due to security reason, but security is not the only reason that BCCI has suspended the IPL. Look at our country soldiers; they are fighting against the terrorism, against the Pakistani military. They are burning midnight oil and they are putting their life at stake to save our life. And here, why do we play IPL? Just tell me. Are we just defending our nation? Not at all. We are organizing Indian Premier League to entertain ourselves, to make the people happy of the cricket fan. But our country's person, our country is in trouble. We are struggling to save our life, to save our country's person, to save our resources. So we cannot entertain ourselves in this tough time. That's why I think this is absolutely right decision from BCCI. IPL must have been cancelled and it was cancelled. So I don't have any problem with the IPL. Do you know why? Because here Turkey is helping Pakistan to provide drone and they are attacking on India's city, civilian city through drone. Thanks to S-400, we have air defense system and it is destroying all the drone and missiles of the Pakistan, and we are saving the millions of people in India. We all are with our soldier. We are very, very, very proud of our soldier, and we would do our best individual to defeat terrorism, to defeat the Pakistan. And this is the time we have to stay united, because what was the purpose of Pahalgam attack? To create the ruckus between Muslim and Hindu, Sikh, Isai. But we all are united. We all are with government. Even opposition parties are giving their endorse to BJP. So I am extremely happy. We must support our government in this tough time. Yeah, we have problem in our country, inflation, unemployment, or population, pollution, but it is our domestic problem. But if I talk about our border problem, we have to support our country at any cost. We cannot let terrorists go like that, because if we are not going to retaliate against the Pakistan, they would keep provoking us in future, and our future generation would be in hell. So this is high time to give the solid response to all the Pakistani. We are the fifth largest economy in the world. We cannot be we cannot be unanswerable. We have to give the solid answer. I know in international media they are not giving full support to us, but we have the right to defend ourselves and we don't need anyone's help. We have the capability to respond Pakistan with single hand. We don't want, yes, our alliance like Rus and some other part of the nation, they are ready to support every possible thing, and we are very thankful towards those countries. In this tough time they are giving us support, but we will not let go Pakistan this time like that. We have to give the solid response. This is the time. Do you know Pakistan has to suffer, no, suffer insurmountable problem through this terrorist attack, because they have provoked us. When we retaliated against the terrorist base, we clearly noticed that we did not attack any of the Pakistani base. We only attacked terrorist base. So this is not the acceleration of the war against Pakistani, but they did not understand this thing and they attacked on Indians base, and this is our right to defend ourselves, and we are defending. Look at, in whole country there's a tense situation. People are going to create such ruckus, it would not be good against the community, against the unity, because there are so many people in India. They are spreading rumors on social media that Pakistan is attacking on so many cities of the India and we are facing heavy losses. It is not true at all. Our our soldiers, they are giving brief of the war every day through press conference, and we are very proud of our country. We are not like Pakistan. They are only spreading rumors in their country, so their country person can be happy, because in their country army rules over the country, but in our country we rule our country systematically, so we have no control of the army at all. We have democratic right, we have right to speak, we have right to ask the question, but in Pakistan they are running the country. The country was run the country is run by the soldier, so we are not like Pakistan. We are the proud nation and we are very happy. And most important thing, yes, there are so many people of the country, they are condemning the attack, but they should understand that being an Indian citizen of the country, it's your responsibility to support your country in adverse situation. Otherwise, where will you live? Where will you keep your family member? Where will you just invest all your investment? Have you heard about the Germany when Hitler just killed all the Jews? So what was the situation of that time? Look at, we are getting all the support, all the infrastructure. What do we need? What is the situation of North Korea? Have you ever seen their dictator? They are giving order to kill everybody if you make a single mistake. Here we have all the rights. Constitution, Indian constitution has given us right to freedom, right to study, right to follow our religion, right to speak, right to ask the question, and you are still condemning your country, then shame on you. This is the time to support our country at any cost. And I am sometimes I'm shocked there, uh, how lucky we are. In spite of being lucky, there are so many citizens of the country, they are just condemning their country's rule, constitution. Shame on you, yeah, shame on you. I think if you condemn our country's constitution, if you blame our country's constitution, then you have no right to live here. Just leave our country, just go wherever you want to say. No, go where do you think that this is the right place where I can live. You are not allowed to live in India, because we are very proud of our country, because we are the Vishwaguru, and we teaches the moral value, we teaches the humanity, we teaches how to behave like a responsible the country. So you don't need to condemn our country, yaar. I'm extremely sad what kind of mentality they are, yaar. What kind of mentality they are. Look at, in India we have right to condemn our biggest leader of the country. You can say whatever you want, but there are so many countries, once you write a single comment against them, you will be in jail. But you are not ready to understand, na? Because right now you are not understanding the importance of freedom. Yeah, we just talk about the freedom speech, freedom of or open speech. What do you call it? Yeah, no, a right of free speech. Yeah, you are talking about right of free speech. You have the right of free speech in India, but if you go in another country, you would not get the right of free speech. So you should understand what is the situation of Saudi Arabia, what is the situation of North Korea, what is the situation in Russia, what is the situation in China. So you should be thankful that you were born in India. You're getting all the resources, you're getting knowledge, you're getting all the infrastructure facilities, you are getting the best high class education in India, and you are still condemning our country's constitution, then you have no right to leave. I would say again, just leave my country. Yes, this is my country and I'm ready to die. If I get a chance to just go to the border and fight against the terrorists, I would admit and I would accept this proposal happily, and I'm ready to sacrifice with my life for my country. Because what is the value of living when your country is not safe? Do you want to be a slave? Look at Britishers. They ruled over 200 years on us. They just torture us. They made, no, enslave us. Now you want to be in the same situation? No, I'm ready to die. Just how can you forget those freedom fighters who sacrificed their life to make India free? Yaar, I don't understand. Yaar, I think you have all forgotten, guys. You need to read about your history, then you will understand the importance of freedom. Then you will realize when you are in cage now, you are not allowed to just go out from the cage, and you are in the cage throughout your life. Then you will realize what is the importance of freedom, guys. In the end, I would say that we must support our freedom fighters. We must support our soldiers. We are very, very, very proud of our soldiers. They are free to do anything. They have right to defend, and we are safe. We are sleeping peacefully in our home because of them. They are burning midnight oil. They are putting their life on stake. That's why we are living happily in our life. So guys, best of luck. Pray for your soldier. Pray to God that everything is going to be normal. Yeah, I do think that war is not the solution of any problem, but Pakistan must understand, because I don't think their leaders are responsible. Their leaders are joker. Being a responsible country's person, it is your responsibility to make everyone safe and provide all the best facilities to your civilians. That's all I wanna say. In the end, I would say Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe.